Hi, everybody. This is Margaret, and I wanted to show you how to fix something that's been coming up a bit as people's WordPress websites get updated to the new version of WordPress, sometimes against their will. I can vouch for that. I want to show you what it looks like. You're going to go out there and you're going to go, assuming that you edit your own pages, you're going to go out to one of the pages like you always have. And you're going to go in and just try to make some simple text edits, change a couple sentences, and get back to life. And what you'll end up seeing is a mess like this, just a bunch of code, and it can get even uglier than this, but this is ugly enough for me. So the first thing to do is take a deep breath. Nothing's broken. Take a deep breath and go over to this sidebar and go to plugins. We're going to install a plugin, which is a nice way of saying it's a little program that does something very specific. This particular plugin has the job of helping you to revert to the classic editing screen you've always used before, and getting away from the weird stuff that you just saw. So what I would do is go to plugins. I would click Add New, and just wait a sec, and then it wants to know, okay, which one. And so I'm going to search for it over here. It's called Classic Editor. So just type those words in the keyword box, and you'll pop up right like that. I'm going to install Classic Editor. Now that it's installed, I'm going to wait here and activate it. And you'll see that now it's in the list of your nice things. The last thing I'm going to do before returning to my page to edit is hit Settings. And I personally like to make sure that this radio button is checked. Classic Editor is checked. The block editor is what you were seeing, and that's the thing that's not quite working right for a lot of websites. So Classic Editor is what you want. And if you've made any changes there, hit Save Changes. And you see that took about a minute. So we're going to go back to the beginning. We're going to pretend that that ugliness never happened. Here we are back at our list of pages. Here I am going to edit our About Us page. And you'll see that it comes up the way that it is supposed to, with the blocks and the pictures and the headings and the testimonials, and everything that you're used to editing is back. So that's what we want to do. We want to look for that plugin called the Classic Editor, install it, and then things will behave nicely for you. If you ever have any questions about that, just contact us through the website, www.websitesforgood.com. And I will get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll get you sorted out. Have a great night. Bye-bye.